and look at this cute little bucket Menards has. It's no bigger than a roll of toilet paper. Ain't it so cute? It's got a little lid. It's like $1.50. Oh my goodness, and it's just too cute, precious little bucket. And by the lid here, look here, lid's 49 cents. The little buckets are $1.11, so what, about $1.60? Ain't this the cutest? See how big it is? There's my purse. This little feller's just a little bucket. Ain't that cute? Wish I had a candy bar or something to compare this to. I mean, it ain't big as a minute. Look there. Here, let's... Hang on. I wanted to show you a comparison. Here is a bottle of NyQuil. Now, everybody knows what size NyQuil is. Here's that little bucket. Ain't it just cute? It's just a precious little bucket. I love it. How little it is compared to Reese's Puffs. Oh, and look at that. There's Cocoa Puffs. Compare it to it, too. Everybody loves Cocoa Puffs. Oh, ain't it just precious? I love this bucket. It's just too cute. I'm going around comparing it to things. This little bucket, ain't it just too cute? Oh, my goodness. It's even smaller than a Libby's can of 100% pure pumpkin. We are here at pumpkin season, so
you mean
yes.
100% pure small?
Yes, well, pure pumpkin. That's 100% pure small. Ain't that the cutest little bucket you ever seen? There, compared to this little bucket with a little lid, ain't it precious? The lid comes off, and we got 100% pure pumpkin. Hey, we're getting pumpkin season now, so I wanted to compare it with a pumpkin. Ain't it just so cute? I just love it. Oh, these are cute little trick-or-treat things, I think. I just love this bucket. Everybody come to Menards, get the little bucket. They're so cute. They're just precious. Okay, everybody, you just got to see this little bucket. I just got it home. Look, ain't it cute? It has a little lid. Look, ain't it cute? And look. Listen to this. It clicks. It snaps out. Can you imagine putting look, I'm sorry, I just can't help myself. Can you imagine this little bucket here and putting a little mop in it and mopping your floor? That would just be hilarious. I just see somebody put a little mop in there and then squeezing it out. I'm sorry, I got my tickle box on. And squeezing it out of this little bucket. And then take a little mop in the floor with that little mop. I'm sorry. I can't help myself. It's just the cutest little thing I ever seen. It's just adorable. I'm sorry. I had to come home and I had to buy this bucket. It's adorable. It's so adorable. It's funny. Check out your Menards. Get a bucket. No, I'm not advertising. Don't worry. I just see this little mop going in and out and squeezing it. Okay. I just wanted to share the bucket with you. So, don't kick the bucket. Good night, everybody. I better shut up. Oh, it's just cute.